Square Filter Holder System Pro Kit by K&F is an ultimate filter solution for almost any camera and lens combination. Let's review that. What's good guys, you're watching No Limits On channel. The kit I have here includes the filter holder itself, 3 square 100 by 100 filters in filter holders, ND8 which reduces 3 stops of light, ND64 6 stops, and ND1000 full 10 stops of light for long exposure photos in bright sunlight. Also, the kit contains a huge, great quality circular polarizing filter and 4 adapter rings, 67mm, 72mm, 77 and 82mm threads. And of course, a carrying bag for the whole kit. On K&F website, the link will be down below in the description, you can find different kits and extra 100 by 100 filters like gradient filters for instance. The kit packs down to a very nice leather bag, or maybe it's not a real leather, but you know, it looks like leather, with a ring and a velcro for mounting it underneath your tripod or to a belt. Also, it has separated place holders for all the filters and accessories, which securely protect all the parts, and I was really surprised by the overall quality of this kit, to be honest. The cool thing is that you can stack up the CPL filter, which is circular polarizing filter, together with 2 100 by 100 square filters to shoot an extreme long exposure picture even with polarization effect, or to mix and match different filters for cool effects. The circular polarizer filter allows you to remove unwanted reflection from surfaces like glass, water, and even camera lenses, as you can see in this example. Also, it helps to enhance color and contrast, especially for blue sky and white clouds, but keep in mind that it has the most effect when you point your camera at 90 degrees to the sun. The holder itself has pretty straightforward CPL insert mechanism with full protection, so you won't mess out right here. And it also has a nice wheel that rotates the circular polarizer filter inside to tweak the amount of polarization. The huge size of the CPL makes it compatible with even some ultra-wide-angle lenses without introducing some heavy vignetting. To mount this system onto your lens, first attach the right size adapter, in my case it was 67mm, and put the holder on. Then level it up and tighten the locking knob. That's it. To use the square filter, simply insert it as shown and align it so it covers all the lens completely. And here are some examples and camera settings with different filters from this kit. Speaking of quality of the filters, they are made of Japanese-made optical glass and claim to have no color cast. They have 28 layers of nanometer coatings, they're waterproof, scratch-resistant and oil-proof, but I would either way be very gentle and careful with those. The price is pretty reasonable at $260 with a good discount on K&F website, and using the limited period coupon code in the description below you can get this kit even cheaper. The regular price of $460 feels not that cheap, but let's compare it to 4 separate 82mm filters. Hoya ND1000 for $150, Hoya ND64 for $150 as well, Hoya ND8 for $45, and Hoya CPL from $95 to $220 depending on the model. So in total we get around at least $450. No bag, no step-up rings for smaller filter threads, and possibly vignetting when stacking those filters on top of each other. And by the way, Hoya is not the best and not the most expensive filters out there. So the value of K&F kit is totally reasonable, and for $260 it's a no-brainer. The conclusion: I really did enjoy the quality of this kit, it feels solid and well built. Everything is really thought out and I have no complaints about the filter's quality. The overall kit is a little bit bulky and it takes some time to set it up, but if you do love long exposure photography, videography with fast lenses like f1.2, during the daylight. And if you do own a lot of 82mm filter thread sized lenses, this is a great value kit and I highly recommend it. So what are your thoughts, guys? Which filters do you use and why? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this video, please smash the like and subscribe buttons as I say in my videos and hit the notifications bell. Here are a couple of videos for you to watch next. My name is Oleg Nikitin, no limits on channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.